Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
I love cause sometimes some things are really necessary now.
You need a whole heap
Big
of
one show us the son
way. Move your blood clot. You're full of rabies, scabies. Big one, you're sour. You look stink. Big one, if you want party like big one, go and move your blood clot. You say where your blood clot, I'm say big one, you stink. And you can't give me a popularity because you come out and look up to me and call me blood clot granny. Me never come out and call you a blood clot granny. Now godson, because you overgrown a blood clot and talk retarded. You look like a retarded picnic. Big one, you stink. Big one, you're ugly like the bed them in your house. I only just get popularity by getting a blood clot bed down, just to own a blood clot and just have a roof over on a blood clot head and own a blood clot. Get that thank God from a blood clot president. You stink na blood clot, big one. Big one, you're a germs carrier. Big one, the little young girl them kill you after blood clot, long blood clot time, so you can't bring the blood clot. AIDS argument to me, big one, because you're dead from what kill feel you need a whole pad injection needle under your blood clot. Big one, you stay bad. Are you for blood clot pull up? And big one, me not put no pull up argument with you. Because we have for blood clot, but cause Kenneth not afraid of blood clot you. You're big and stink. Only thing I'm afraid of your big sour self. Coming on, get scabies. Rabies.
I understand with the part that come in though. I don't understand. Because deep down inside, girl, deep down inside, everybody know you, know how you stay. Emily is not no friends. So why Emily want to come for your life, come send a request. But you know what, my sister girl, Emily I look friend. But them things say we do the same thing like we feed them friend with them when them do that friend do. Because they want to class you. They want to class you angry and promise a lick. And then as a big man, you can say to you in America, you can't get to hurt them or you want to hurt them. So they want to come back in now and go and let them look for them family and you're supposed to just roll the red carpet for them and whatever, like they don't remember what them do.
This bitch. Not this bitch. You're outside in a blood clot, nasty big one. Big one, you
but
get
Emily, come suck me big good Emily. Because are you not dirty Emily? You never see me come and text you yet. You never see my sister come and text you yet. You never see me come for your live and send a request to come for your live yet. And you never see my sister, I'm not going to argue with your germs because you know say it's a disease. So I'm not going to blood clot argue with your one kid that across the board. And any guy want to get in them freezer, any boy, I'm not carry a blood clot. Oh, I'm loyal to my blood clot sister and she loyal to me. So any guy want to argue with my sister no cuss me and from now, from early, or no cuss because at some point in time, I'm going to involve in it.
outside and blood clot.
But we don't care blood clot either. You're too enough. Or not too blood clot enough. Because when girls say they don't want a friend from you, why you can't just accept it and move the fuck on? You're going to say nobody make blood clot. You're mistreating a friend. And you're going to say nobody make an action on a blood clot friend. We don't lonely over here. We don't lonely over here. We don't want a blood clot common as a friend.
I come text y'all from girl life like y'all know you. Emily, you want a clean pillow.
We arrived with blood clot pebbles. We arrived with pebbles because pebbles have blood clot history. When pebbles coming from blood clot somewhere, we don't not come from blood clot nowhere. So we don't have a blood clot friend, you know. We don't want a friend from one who can't understand. We don't want a blood clot friend. On the one can be a problem with me and my blood clot sister. On who the one we take it to you know. On the one we take it to blood clot. I'm gonna put it on a big cock.
Big one ever bring argument to me like big one think mother you think big one can lick me in America me?
No, sister girl, you know say big one no some can't put him on your cock. Guess at the end of the day, the lick now gonna stay right there, sir. The lick now gonna stay right there, sir.
You're madly Kenneth. You can't lick blood clot, Kenneth. Big one, move your blood clot top of the
Oh, myself, sister, I'm gonna repeat it. Come on, make sure it's a big one here. I'm not being a hypocrite or anything. Like I said, me and big one talk, and me and big one was cool. I don't know if my name is still gonna be cool or anything, but my sister me say straight across the board. And my sister me say straight across the board. At least me not play the hypocrite with it. And my sister me say one Kenneth across the board straight. Okay. If I was big one, I'm in at the salon. I'm know me what I said, Kenneth. If I'm me coming to the salon or Phoebe, we and big one cool. You and big one not cool. So big one never did have to say that when say. Because you know say when him say that now, you ever go and say something back. That's my stand. I just say there. I have no problem. I have no problem with big one, but are you me say straight? Are you and my sister? Are you and my ride and die?
Oh, you gonna give girl popularity when you just come a foreign
No,
and
no,
just
no,
buy a big
no, popularity. Cause you had
right
a
now.
popularity already.
Big
You just want to do the media thing.
Big one not just come up and just own a blood clot bed, clap and thank blood clot my president. You know go suck on a mother. Big one on a body more than a big blood clot come around a white plains where the girl send out. On a walk and beg $5 and $10 from Jamaica till blood clot no nothing about no. So you can't compare me to blood clot, you big one. You stink, you grudge me from a look at you big and overgrown. You're big and overgrown, no blood clot. You're big and overgrown and stink, big one. You're big and overgrown and stink. Of course, when me you never beg me yet, big one, you walk and beg me, I'ma send out your blood clot, big one. Go send out Duppy. Of course you beg me, but you never beg me yet, big one. Go and move your blood clot, stinky the winky, go clean your house. Big one, you're ugly like in your house. You're ugly like in your house and there's something in your house. Move your nasty blood clot. Big one, come use your tongue and come lick up my battle wall. Nasty big one, come and never look by you. Remember, are you look up to me, you call me granny, and you come out, so you forget my popularity, you come out, come hear me have my name long time. Big one, welcome. I'm glad your blood clot started, so I hope you can blood clot finish it in a blood clot, America. Dirty big one. Me, Kenneth, don't free the blood clot you and get blood clot ready. Big one, me even want you touch me on my blood clot, and me no must go court. I want you nasty big one, you ugly like the bracelet where they pay your foot.
Play a match, mother. Alright. I don't know if this is someone playing a match.
The old
When the people I say so when the girl see girl come on TikTok, them have a problem. I don't have a problem with the girl with the on TikTok. I never met TikTok.
blood clot, yeah. Big one, you can't go. You never in a nothing blood clot good yet. You never in a good pair of shoes. You never in a good pair of shoes. Everything where you wear ugly. Everything where you wear ugly, 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 ugly. Everything where you wear ugly, 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 ugly. Big one. Everything where you have on, everything where you put on, no ugly. Big one, you're big and ugly. I am a boy. I am big. I am stink. You stink bad right across the board. That my blood clot say. No girl will just own a bed and get a blood clot key in them and can't chat to me. I own a blood clot, get that bitch. Big one, them kill you from what we kill blood clot. Pillow say you can't talk none of anything Kenneth want blood clot. Have Kenneth never hide it. I'm reach the age you're supposed to have it. But when you come out at the age of 16 or 17, count overgrown and them kill on a long blood clot time. So let's not go there. Big one, you're full of an infection, no blood clot. You want a whole heap of buckle and a whole heap of blood clot pill. Big one, come suck me. Big one, me eat you know. Big one, me no want a friend from you. Me not recognize you. Come not even didn't see you in the shop the way you look dirty. Me not even see you in the shop. Me never see you in the shop. Me gonna go in and explain I would have never worry in the woman blood clot shop. Okay, you must have suck out the woman battle hole. Big one go look at Udka and cocky a blood clot one in your body because it's not a boy. You want to be a girl, but it's very hard for you to transform. It's a hard for blood clot you.
You want to play too much and make some diamonds in the meantime. If I have 10 diamonds.
10 roses. Big one. TikTok now go out with nothing for you. Move your blood clot. TikTok now go out with nothing for you, big one. A cow blood clot man where you have over your blood clot yard where you have blood clot fuck. You go account have to fuck off a blood clot girl and go like on a star. Big one, you're dirty and stink. Go and sick boo sit on your blood clot time. You will want an argument with Kenneth. Well, here it blood clot goes. Cause big one, you can't lick me. I'ma stay blood clot. Go and move your blood clot.
Stop some roses, guys. Stop some roses, daughter.
Stop problem, big one, cause you're dirty. I am a girl, you cannot cause no problem, cause you're big and stink.
It should have come down to this. You know something tell big one say.
Batty, cause she want argue with me come outside. When she talk about that big one, me that calling him in the live outside say should I come here and drive me out and make you and talk me, come in by your dig.
Smooth. Thank you, Leah Rebel. Thank you, Leah.
Anything you want a big one, you want a cocky, you want a fucking in your body, you want cocky, you want to buy a wig. Is a wig you want. Thank you, Jody, you want a wig. Is a wig your blood clot one, nasty big one. Is a wig you want, stay bad wig, big one. You want a wig. Yes, you start John's big one, you sound like a handicap. You sound retarded. Can you like your mama drop you when you're a baby, you sound retarded in a blood clot. You Kenneth is a UFC, the big one better stop. No, I'm want she lick me. Cause me, she not gonna lick me, my love and big one walk. She have on 3 bracelet.
But no, so only coming at this sister.
Hold on.
Because you have a right to say you want to fight Emily. Because Emily I text it every minute, Emily about you and about everybody else, you have a right. But you know the part coming at this. I don't know why Lick always coming at this. I see it say, are the little girl them as I promise the big woman them lick now. Are the little girls them as I promise the big woman them lick. And if them take a page out of the big man them book, guys, we need 4 roses. What are the target? Hold on, in a started, guys. 4 roses, daughters. 4. 4 roses, guys. 4 roses. Why am I telling you? I'm not sending roses and diamonds and everything when people in an argument. Why you can't send it when time people just normal?
Taps and roses, guys. Taps and roses. Taps and roses. Taps and roses. Mama robot, dirty big one. Mama class, dirty big
We're
one.
gonna do so. We're gonna lie. We're gonna leopard. Whenever I get a leopard, who can send me a leopard? Guys, somebody send me a leopard. I'm spring up on Emily. Sexy JJ. Them say no matter ugly, but no matter nice, no matter clock. And boy, they are from last night.
Emily, and guess what now? It's not your time. Come done with you, cause you never pull up. So there 4 months got beard, go clean out your house. Today is Sunday. Emily got beard.
Remember, said the boy said Emily house dirty.
Yeah.
Think point up it. Shem dear, thank you. Guys, we're gonna stop on the double now. Confidence, right shoe, sexy JJ. And the daughters are gonna wait now. You see, them turn to sisters that cause problem too. I was QQ this year. Team Herb, thank you, my clean daughter. Bomber Cloud, them a snipe for Kenneth. Come on, guys, daughters, come on.
Guys, double tap, big one, I be and I get no money, hungry. TikTok eat to the people them tired of you on TikTok. Move your blood clot and way. TikTok tired of you. TikTok tired of your nasty blood clot. Pull up when you're ready. Big one of me for pull up when I'm ready. I want you lick me so when I have the blood clot, but I be a laugh, you laugh and take the girl laugh. The big one go suck your mother. Big one, you big and stink and dirty. I do like you ugly, your clothes ugly, everything by you ugly. Everything pan big one ugly and stay bad for me and stink. Emily a company, ya look big one now look a company from blood clot. You can watch me and you. A company, ya blood clot look dirty, Emily. Emily
sister girl, you know what you say? All the girl in my eyes I try to prove to I try to prove for in America. And they would have never do it in Jamaica.
Out order. But you should have pulled up last night. You do have an address, so don't tell nobody about blood clot address.
26 Decatur Avenue, apartment 5C.
Who says so?
That's our address, 2600 Decatur Avenue.
The people them address, madam. Remember say I can't put her up. The people them blood clot address, dirty Emily, a big ass stink. Big one, no man no want you, no man not stay with you, no man do want to know.
JJ, thank you.
Big one, to know. Come on, guys, double tap the screen.
Click on the gloves. No rose on the gloves, guys. I lie, Shaw Smooth, you have gloves, girl. I lie. Kick up on the anti-blood clot.
Me I pull up when I clean the dirty house. Where I clean the dirty house of the boy around left. And them are the only reason I pull up.
Thank you. The gloves look like I can never activate though. Sexy JJ, thank you.
Now pull up in a blood clot, man. Clean out your house and then we come. Clean out your house and then we blood clot come. Dirty Emily. Go clean out your house. Emily, your pillow dirty. Emily, you want buy one of the new children? I'll show you the makeup wipe for you for blood clot by.
Add that, the sister, add that.
I'm gonna show you the makeup wipe for you for blood clot by and put by your face. Wipe feet, yeah. Emily, do this.
I'm gonna activate the things I'm gonna send something on it then now. If you're not activated, you don't need to do something about it, send something on it.
Emily, use this. Use blood clot. This is the boy that must be Emily a pillow.
Thank you.
Emily, a pillow them dirty.
Come on, daughters, man. Come on.
Dirty by one of these Emily. Emily, dirty. When if I rub a dirty and stinky that foreign, nothing about on Emily on the wipe off of the map. A girl on the one argue with for me could name a blood clot call back.
You can the heart attack.
Nothing about you and blood clot, big one. On a stink. Stinky the weedy. You big one stink no blood clot. Big one dirty.
Doctors, when you get the heart attack, come and I'm going juice already. So Jesus is a track. Where's my camp in a blood club? You know, I feel I'm going to pull up a brand address. I feel I'm coming up here, my partner, one of my partners now. I get when Ashley come.
Thank you, Bless Steel. Thank you so much, baby. Outside, I'm more robot, dirty big one. Big one,
JJ, thank you.
Big one, send out. Big one, block me. I black my so black off of my life. Come off of my life, big one, and don't come in. Cause suck your mother, go over your life. Me a class.
Move
your dirty blood clot. Nasty big one. Go away. Stay bad big one.
I don't know, a big one said something last time. I'm ignorant when my EM says I'm ignorant, I like you, but I love my sister.
This is what make you mad. Make we
One
do it.
money gun, daughters, one money
Me
gun.
did the update. Yeah, you have a problem with me. You should have come lick me in my face. Come
One
here.
money gun, guys, white
Dirty big
eye.
one. We can go face to face anytime. Big one
One
get
money
big.
gun to catch your
Big one you
speed.
want to be with a big carbolic soap. Big one you want to be with a big blood clot.
Daughters, one money gun to catch your speed.
Big one you want to be with a big carbolic soap, my love. Big
One
one.
money gun,
Big
please.
one foreign 8 you. No way gonna blood clot like you. Foreign 8 you.
Daughters, 400, I can't. You saw me
Yes, my baby.
like
Do you
problem.
report when I get blood
So,
clot
I
report?
can't catch your speed when I money gun.
Dirty big one. Big one, send your correct name and your address now. Send your correct
Money
name
gun.
and your address now. And make we do this. Big one, make we do it. You stay bad. Big one, make we do it. Make we do it, big one. Big one, me nah stop say you ugly like your furniture in your bed in your house. Big one, you stink. Big one, you smell bad. Big one, you full up of blood clot, scabies and rabies underneath you. Go and move your blood clot. Your cocky feel you now kind of chumpus like dog. So one cocky you want in your body.
Thanks, hold on there.
Big one, you sour no blood clot. Now move your blood clot, nasty big one. Big one, you big and ugly like the furniture them in your house. Big one, you big and stay bad. Me nah say in a blood clot. Big one, me nah start nothing good about you, cause nothing good no blood clot about you no. Big one, move your blood clot. You can never blood clot like me in America and stay here and blood clot. We not lie you tell. I'm in a pull my knife under your blood clot. Go big one. Big one, you stay bad. Big one, you look dirty. Big one, you don't look like foreign. All the people them a blood clot. Jamaica look better than someone, cause someone of you a madman over here. Cause the cool rock up on a blood clot nurse. Big one, your skin scale in a blood clot. Big one, me never seen a good pair of blood clot shoes. Big one, you have to eat people cause you're born wrong. You have to eat good people and eat blood clot me cause you're born nice and pretty. Big one, you're born wrong. Big one, you're blood clot. Big one, you're retarded no blood clot. You talk like hot potato. Them just bust off sperms in your mouth. Big one, you stay bad. You stay bad no blood clot. Nasty big one. But come face to face. You've got a face to face blood clot meeting with your own doctor. And move your blood.
Thank you, Carissa, thank you.
Big one, you want surgery. Big one, you can't be a girl. And that's why you're mad. Cause every girl be a girl. Every girl get fucked and I get no fuck. A people man, you have your blood clot use. Big one, you stink. Big one, by looking at you, you know, so you stink. You have the definition to stinkness and greenness and so on is. I am a boy. I am stink. I am big. I am ugly. Everything about you. Big one, you can write a book about you. Big one, you put big till you can't big no more. You're overgrown. You're born retarded. You're born wrong. God hate you. God hate you. That's why you have to turn menace to blood clot society. My love, I want to argue blood clot people. You see, I lick up your body and I jig up your body because you want fuck no bitch. Your cocky done. Your cocky, the big cocky where you have a beer puss a trump out tight. So it not no more use. It not no more use in a blood clot body. Dirty.
Jesus Christ, that we're gonna snipe.
Nothing about it.
We're gonna snipe. On the share the life. Share the life.
Emily, you want
a
clean sheet up on your bed and a clean sheet. Go buy one of this and wipe off your blood clot face. Dirty Emily. The boy them now go stay in your house because you're dirty. You are a dirty person. You're dirty in a blood clot. You're dirty. You're dirty big one. You're dirty.
Thank you, team. J Fabulous. Carissa, smooth, pretty. Thanks everybody else.
Mascano no.
KCD, come up from my live and go on, here go.
Mascano no, I'm na blood clot. Stop saying Mascano no blood clot. I know a friend from me know a girl who am me and them and a friend a comment on my live and a look friend from me. Emily, me you cannot be friend under this history.
Jesus Christ, I want to my sister live. And a banana, the sister get banana. Oh my God, you got them terribly. And a banana, she get banana. Damn, she get banana. Yes, I'm telling you, how them stay. Look here now. Post me send my daughters them on work now. Post me send my daughters them. Let's see if a banana, she get banana. Wait there. them are reported, yeah. But when they reported it. Hold on, I ask her. Blandy, she reported, comment on Blandy live and she reported. And them banana, them can't go live for 3 days. So it come back tonight. But girl, you know, say, I got to tell her, like, sister, for true. I forgot to remind them, girl, who me is. Can I look like, I forgot, no. No, but big one couldn't utter other for things say, I can't lick you. No, big one, the utter other. Can hope a girl that come out of retirement. Big one, the utter other for try really, because them not understand themselves sometimes, say, when them just want, some girls just wait for the lick for pass, you know. Yeah, man. You have to make a backup page, girl. Me need one to come and I have none yet. You can't go. Try come on it and say, but I don't think I can come. Maybe I don't know if you can come on it with me. I don't know. But I don't know my love. Cause them band me for 10 minutes. Them band me for 10 minutes a while ago. I never did a smoke. I never did do no drugs. I never do drugs from my band yet. Kind of boy. If a boy come and never do drugs, all them some can put in the box. I know which box I can put in. I don't know about TikTok. Some know they got it in there for. I said dirty so good candy. I don't know about TikTok. Come up from my blood clot back. Come I'm say, hey, I get a blood clot banana today again. I don't go like it. Come here, I'm gonna send my daughters them on a rampage of blood clot. I'm never do it yet. So if you don't want the money fucked with, come remember say my daughters and me them good certain way. I can't call my daughters, I beg them 100, I beg them a 200 or 50. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe I that too, girl, I don't know. Me can't go listen to you, girl. I have 25 years and over right there, so. Yeah. The boy there from last night, can't the boy don't go on yet. The boy sit in the room comfortable. The boy, I don't know him eat from man, I don't know my love. But I don't know if I'm hungry. I feel like I'm going to that about my food. Fambo, I make one